What is fine-tuning? In episode 9, we said use fine-tuning for skills, not facts. This episode shows you how, in 2 minutes, what fine-tuning is, when to use it, and why it just got cheap. Quick refresher. RAG gives the LLM documents to read. Before answering, fine-tuning changes how the model itself behaves. One adds context, one adds skills. Easiest way to think about it. RAG is handing the model a new textbook. Fine-tuning is teaching the model a new trick, a skill it performs from now on without the textbook. The flow. 4 steps. Start with a base model, collect labeled examples, run training, get a smaller, specialized model. Step 1. The base model, Llama, Mistral, Gemma, open weights. You have to be able to touch the weights. Step 2. Examples, pairs, input, and the output you want. 500 good examples beats 50,000 sloppy ones. Quality beats quantity. Step 3. Training the model. Adjust its weights to match your examples. Modern LoRA only adjusts a tiny fraction of the weights. Cheap, fast, good enough. Step 4. Ship. You now have a small specialized model that outperforms a huge general model. On your task, cheaper to run, faster. When to fine-tune, tone and style, domain-specific tasks, structured outputs, specialized skills, when not, facts, real-time data, anything that changes, daily. Use RAG for that. So that is fine-tuning. Take a base, give it examples, adjust the weights, get a smaller specialist. RAG gives a model new context. Fine-tuning gives a model new skills. From zero, one tech basic, explained from scratch. Every week, subscribe for the next lesson.